Welcome to the another session of class 7th social science e-learning, and in this session we are going to learn and solve the exercise of your chapter number 2, that is the earth and the changes on it. Let us start. Your question number first is MCQ type question and you have to take the correct option. Question number first is which one of the following is not a human activity? इसमें से कौन सी एक्टिविटी ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी नहीं है? डाइवर्स लैंड यूज, क्लीनिंग ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, न्यू ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ माउंटेन्स. एंड इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, दैट इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ माउंटेन्स. हम पहाड़ नहीं बनाते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, विच वन इज ए कॉन्टिनेंटल ग्लेशियर्स? आप जानते हैं ग्लेशियर्स दो टाइप के होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज कॉन्टिनेंटल ग्लेशियर्स एंड सेकंड इज माउंटेन ग्लेशियर्स. तो इसमें से कौन सा कॉन्टिनेंटल ग्लेशियर है? ऑप्शंस आर सियाचिन, अंटार्कटिका, गंगोत्री एंड यमुनोत्री. एंड करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज अंटार्कटिका. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फीचर्स आर फाउंड बाई ए रिवर? रिवर कौन से फीचर्स बनाती है? ऑप्शंस आर V-shaped valleys, meander and delta, U-shaped valleys, meander and delta, I-shaped valleys, cliff and delta, and V-shaped valleys, meander and sand dunes. And correct answer is option number A, that is V-shaped valley, meander and delta. Question number 4. Which layer of the soil contains humus? Options are bedrock, weathered rock, subsoil and topsoil. And its correct answer is option number D, that is topsoil. Question number 5. Which soil type is capable of retaining moisture and becomes sticky when wet? Your options are A. alluvial soil, B. black soil, C. red soil and D. laterite soil. And correct answer is option number B, black soil. Now we move on to question number second, that is fill in the blanks. Question number first, organic matter when gets decomposed in the soil and converts into dark colored material is called. जब organic matter decompose होकर dark color material में convert हो जाता है तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? And its correct answer is humus. Question number second, dash soil is found in a large part of our country. कौन सी soil हमें हमारे maximum part में मिलती है? And its correct answer is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is found in a large part of our country. Question number 3, dash and dash valleys are formed by at a youthful stage of river. Correct answer is V-shaped and I-shaped valleys are formed at the youthful stage of a river. Question number 4, a dash is a steep-sided rock facing the sea. And correct answer is cliff. A cliff is a steep-sided rock facing the sea. Question number 5, dash river and dash river form the largest delta of the world. कौन सी दो रिवर वर्ल्ड की लार्जेस्ट डेल्टास बनाती हैं? एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र. गंगा रिवर एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर फॉर्म्स द लार्जेस्ट डेल्टा ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. गिव ए सिंगल फॉर्म फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज mounds of sand deposited by wind action in deserts. रेगिस्तान में हवा जब सैंड को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह डिपॉजिट कर देती है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? इसे बोलते हैं सैंड डन्स. SAND सैंड, DUNES डन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, द प्रोसेस इन विच ए ग्रेजुअल wearing and carrying away of soil particle takes place on the earth's surface. And its correct answer is erosion. EROSION, erosion. Question number third, The process of laying down of sediments carried by various agents of gradation, and it is called deposition. 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 Question number 4. A mass of moving ice down the slope. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? इसे बोलते हैं हम ग्लेशियर्स. Question number 5. Removal of the topsoil of the top layer of the soil, and it is called soil erosion. Now we move on to short question answers type questions, that is D part. Question number 1. Specify two differences between internal and external forces. Internal and external forces के बीच में दो डिफरेंस बताने हैं. फर्स्ट इंटरनल फोर्सेस, इसका फर्स्ट पॉइंट है इट इज द प्रोसेस वर्किंग इनसाइड द अर्थ. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल्स अर्थक्वेक एंड वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटीज एटसेट्रा. सेकेंड एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस. एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस का फर्स्ट पॉइंट इट इज द प्रोसेस वर्किंग ऑन द अर्थ सरफेस. सेकेंड पॉइंट एग्जाम्पल्स change in the course of river and wind carrying soil particles etc. Question number 2. Name the various agents of gradation. Answer is the various agents of gradation are running water, wind, moving ice such as glaciers etc. Question number 3. Distinguish between transported and residual soil. First is transported soil. When soil is carried away by water or wind etc. and later get deposited at a new place, then it is called transported soil. I repeat, when soil is carried away by water and wind etc. and later get deposited at a new place, then it will be called transported soil. And second is residual soil. When the soil is formed by the weathering of a parent rock and remains present on the same site, then it will be called residual soil. I repeat, when the soil is formed by the weathering of a parent rock and remains present on the same site, then it will be called residual soil. Question number 4. How is a delta formed? Answer. Before meeting the sea, the river deposited silt, sand and sediments over a large area near its mouth. This large deposition helps in the formation of delta. I repeat, before meeting the sea, the river deposited silt, sand and sediments over a large area near its mouth. This large deposition helps in the formation of delta. Question number 5. Why is humus formed more rapidly in humid areas? And answer is humus formed more rapidly in humid areas due to heavy growth of plants and rich animal life. I repeat, humus formed more rapidly in humid areas due to heavy growth of plants and rich animal life. Thank you.